Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got INFINIX Smart 7 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings and then scroll down to find the app management. Now we have to tap on special app access and at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it. Here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course if you want you can change it. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. After getting back you can see that from now on the Gmail is allowed to install some content. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that. Of course, it will work the same with all other apps, so just tap on it, tap on the switcher and go back. In the same situation, if you want to turn off previously granted permissions, just tap on it, tap on the switcher, go back. And from now on the Gmail is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.